Okay, video number 3, how I do Christine Karon eyes in green this time. I've already done blue and brown. I will link them in the description down below. I wasn't going to, but if you want to see a violet purple eye, pop it in the comments down below. If enough people want to see it, I will add that version on as well. Hope this has been useful. So I'm still in the Fairy and Fantasy book 1. I've done a lot of eyes in this book now. We're on Water Nymph this time. Again, I'm going to bring you guys right in. I'm going to pop those eyes in the middle so I don't... so I hopefully keep on screen. I'm going to use the same black, the same 30% warm grey and the same 90% cool grey. I will pop all the colours in the description box down below. We're using Prismas today, I've explained before. Why? I'm going to use a white gel pen because the smudge is less than the Prisma. And for this green eye combo, I've got a little bit of pink. As always, I like to add a little bit of reflection of a colour into my eyes. I think it adds a little bit of interest. So I've got pink 929. And then for the greens, I've got bit of a brown green artichoke 1098. More of a neutral, kind of a natural yellow toned green 1097 moss. I've got this more aqua coloured light green 920, and then this very pale sage 1089. So we have those. I'm going to start with the moss green. Moss green or artichoke? Let's see, we're gonna see which is darkest. Yes, moss green is darker. Whether it will be dark enough, I'm not sure, but we will see. We're going to add that into the darkest parts of the grey. I'm going to bring that across the top underneath the eyelid as well, and along the bottom. I love green eyes, and this eye series could have gone on forever. Like I say, I will do a violet eye if you want me to. Just let me know. I considered adding a turquoise as well, but you know, just instead of the normal greens, just add more aqua colours, and you'll end up with the same effect. So just bring that around the deepest parts of that green there. If your green's not quite dark enough, you can take a little bit of black and very carefully just add that along the edge. Very gentle, you don't want to overdo that. To deepen up that base green. From there, I'm going to add a little bit of this artichoke, this kind of, it's like a greeny gold kind of colour, but I think it'd be pretty. I'm just going to pop it under the eyelid there. Add a little bit of gold into the tone with that. I think that'll be pretty. Maybe a little bit across the bottom there. I'm going to take my pink while there's room. We're going to sharpen that. And I'm going to pop that across the middle here. Okay, then we're going to take our light green and bring that out from that pink. can tone your pink down with your green as well. And then just a little bit of that pale sage, that really, really pale green. Just kind of where our highlights are going to be. And then I want to come back in with my dark green, which is that moss green. And again, just really emphasise the darker parts of those eyes. Okay, we'll clean that off. We're going to take our black, whatever that may be, and we're going to go over our pupils and really darken those. Need to make them even. I have to make this one a little bit bigger to match the other. She'll look weird otherwise. Okay, that is that. We're now going to take our 90% cool grey and bring that along the edges. Really deepen that up. Blend that out, nice and crisp along the edge. This will always look crazy when you're, you know, it's the only part of the face done, but the minute you start to add things in around it, it's really going to stop those eyes from just disappearing into the background. I think we might want a little bit more of that up here. Okay, we're going to take that 30% warm grey. We're just going to bring that in a little bit. Same again. Blend that right off and blend everything in. Okay, and from there we're going to take our white gel pen and we're just going to pop back in a couple of those highlights. Clean off your white gel pen because you've used it over pencil. And again, when we come out, we now have green eyes. Let's see if we can lighten that up a little bit for you guys so you can see it. She's a little bit, obviously a little bit less contrasting than some of the other colours. I like my green eyes to look very natural, quite a yellow toned green. That little bit of gold just really makes them look kind of more realistic, and obviously that tiny bit of pink in the bottom just looks like you're seeing, because I'm going to do my orchids pink on this page, just looks like you're seeing a little bit of what's going on around her reflected in the eye there. Like I say guys, I hope this has been useful. I get asked quite a bit how I do my Christine Karron eyes, so hopefully this has been helpful. I've now given you pretty much all my colours. Again, if you want purple, let me know. And yeah guys, happy colouring, hope you enjoyed the little videos, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.